mabuhay. One. Check, sound, mic test. Mabuhay. Thank you for choosing Philippine Airlines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check, hey, 1. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you for calling Jollibee Delivery. Thank you for calling Jollibee Delivery. Thank you. Thank you once again, ladies and gentlemen. 1, 2. Yheng, Angelo. Gentlemen, 1. Welcome, mabuhay. Thank you so much for choosing Alna Veranda Retreat. Once again, this is your host, Yheng, saying thank you everybody for staying to the end of the program. Good day, and God bless. Once again, please don't forget to follow and like my page, and the first new host, Yheng, and of course, my YouTube channel, Events Host Yheng, and my Instagram, Events Host Yheng. Thank you so much, everybody.
Let me tell you, girl, you my little boo thing, so I don't give a hoot what you do say, girl. I know you a little too tame. I'll be shooting that shot like 2K, girl. I know. Tell 'em I'm next. Tell 'em you find a little something too fresh. I know. Tell 'em I'm next. Tell 'em you find a little something too fresh. I know. Put a little gold in the teeth and the fit good, so I took the